Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a really cool video. It's pretty short and sweet, but it's basically me just redecorating, cleaning, and organizing my laundry room area. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss a future video, and let's just get right into it. So the first thing I'm working on is just making this cute little sign for my table down in the laundry room. So if you guys don't know, I make little signs. I get a lot of inspiration from like Pinterest and things, and then I'll sort of just like throw something together. So if you look on my Instagram, I've done a couple of these. I also have a little Etsy store, which I will link down below. It doesn't really have much on it right now because it's just sort of something I did on the side. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just putting together this little sign first, and then we're gonna get down in the basement and get really started. So there was just a bunch of stuff on this half of the basement. Basically, I haven't showed my basement much. We have a full basement under the house, obviously. Half of the basement is finished, and it's a living room, a full bath, and another bedroom. And then the other half is unfinished, and that's where the laundry room is. And then there's just a lot of storage area. So basically, I'm just moving all that stuff that was over in this area over into the storage area. And then I'm collecting all the hangers and Shane's clothes. He likes to hang up his stuff to dry. And I'm eventually gonna find a better place. I think I'm gonna buy an actual pole to put up on the wall. So right now it's kind of just hanging off of pipes in the ceiling. And then I'm just sort of getting rid of, again, anything around this little desk area that does not need to be here. We had some finished laundry there and all that kind of stuff. So I just got that out of the way. After that was done, I went in and swept because there was a lot of like construction dust and just like kind of old basement dust and cobwebs and who knows what from the people that lived here before us. So I'm finally getting around to sweeping this floor because I literally haven't swept this since we moved in the house like 3 months ago. So it needed to be done. So yeah, I just swept up this area before I continued. Once it was all swept up, I started again on this area. So first just putting all my like products up off the desk because I wanted the desk to be pretty minimal so that I could fold on it if I wanted to and not have a lot of stuff. If you guys notice, I don't really have a lot of laundry type products because I literally just use laundry detergent and that's it. So that's why, I have a little shout and some Tide beads and stuff, but that's literally all I have. So now I found these signs. I went looking for little signs, and I remembered that I still had actually these little mason jars from my wedding that had these little signs on them. And on the back of them, they had like table numbers. And so I just flipped them around and used the other side now to create little signs for my little laundry basket. So I got 3 laundry baskets from Walmart. They were only 98 cents each, I think, or 97 cents each. And I made different signs. One was for Shane, one was for me and Lily because I wash our clothes together, and then one was for like towel sheets, that kind of random thing. And I put together these laundry baskets just to kind of have dirty clothes in. For example, sometimes we'll like take down just like a giant hamper from upstairs, and that way I can sort of sort them by person, and then once I have a full load ready, I could throw them in. Shane has a very particular way he likes his clothes washed, so I don't even wash his clothes because he only likes to he's such a typical guy. I feel like in certain ways he likes to dry them a certain length and then he has to hang them up, and I'm like, girl, bye, just do your own clothes. So that's why I made his separate from everyone else's. And then here I'm just securing those little signs on, just with some tape. So at this point, I'm moving more stuff around. I didn't like those bottles just out, so I put all that stuff in a little basket. And if you see, I took away that white kind of shell thing next to the laundry sign, and I used one of those old mason jars from my wedding instead there. I just kind of kept moving stuff around until I liked it. I put my vacuum and my broom for down here downstairs in that corner. And then now I'm gonna go ahead and put down this rug. I got this rug at Walmart and it was only $19.99, and it's exactly what I wanted. I wanted something just like a cheap, low pile rug just to have here to make the space look a little more put together, but also so that say I'm taking clothes out of the washer or out of the dryer, and say I needed like space and there wasn't enough space and I had to put something on the floor, I felt better about putting it on a rug than just putting it on the bare concrete. So that's again why I wanted that there. And then I just went ahead with a paper towel with just water on it to wipe down this desk a little bit, because this used to be my makeup desk, so it had a bit of like makeup residue and stuff on it. So I just wanted to get rid of that. Together you. All right, and that's honestly it, guys. It was so easy, just some minimal changes just to kind of spice up this area and make me actually want to be down here a little more. If you're wondering, I do use this tub of homemade laundry detergent. I love it so much more than the regular Tide, and I do have some Tide as like a backup, but this stuff is great. I will leave a link down below to the video I watched to get that recipe. And it was so easy to make. It took me like a day, or one day it took me like literally maybe 30 minutes to make the whole thing. And it works amazingly well. So yeah, I'll leave a link for that. But make sure you're subscribed if you have not yet. I'd really appreciate it. Turn on post notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.